Caught on camera, a wall of flames in a yard just moments after a plane crashes into a Hot Springs neighborhood. The sight leaving people in the area startled and shocked. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. 2 people were on board that plane, both making it out with only minor injuries. Our Caroline Derby live from the scene tonight.
Caroline, what more can you tell us at this hour, and obviously how are neighbors reacting considering where that plane went down?
Kevin and Donna, everyone here says it's a miracle that those 2 people survived this. Take a look at the crash site tonight. I know it's dark, but you can still see melted tires, what used to be the plane. Of course, scorch marks, burn marks across all those pieces of metal in there. This scene extends across the street as well, with tree limbs down and debris several dozen feet away. One person in the neighborhood caught it all on her doorbell camera. It was a typical afternoon for Linda Smith. She walked outside to get mail, but seconds after sifting through it,
and I hear this explosion like a bomb went off.
A plane crash right across the street. Hot Springs police say the crash happened just before 3 p.m. Wednesday afternoon at the corner of Oakwood Avenue and Bell Street. 2 people were on board, making it out alive with minor injuries and are recovering at the hospital.
I see this boom of smoke going up in the air, and it started covering the whole area like an eclipse.
Smith saw the aftermath unfold, but what saw it before she did, her doorbell camera. You can see here the fiery crash site. Smith running out and going back to call 911.
What is your name, ma'am? Linda Smith.
She couldn't believe her eyes when she says 2 women made their way out of the plane.
It was amazing. She stood up and walked over to the sidewalk. I knew she was hurt. She had blood on the side of her face.
She says one of them told her the engine went out, causing them to crash.
I think it's amazing that they came down where they did with all these power lines around, and they missed all of them. Good Lord looking after them, and all it was amazing.
The plane now only scorch marks and melted wheels. Smith says she can't believe they made it out alive.
And you can look and see what's left. They were very, very looked after. Somebody looking after them.
Now, to Linda Smith's point about the power lines in the area, even just looking up now, they are really across just about every street. Lots of poles down this entire street right here. This is also one of the only open lots in the area, and they landed missing those power lines and not hitting any homes. Arkansas State Police has been on scene, as well as the Hot Springs Fire Department and the Hot Springs Police Department. Earlier, we did see the FAA out here. They have not confirmed the cause of the crash. 2 Arkansas State Police troopers are still out here, though, until the National Transportation Safety Board can come on site tomorrow. Of course, this is the developing story. We'll continue to update you as we learn more. Reporting live in Hot Springs, I'm Caroline Derby, Fox 16 News.